Meaning of dental surgeon.
Dental surgeon.
Dental surgeon.
Dental surgeon.
Dental surgeon. A dental surgeon is a specialized medical professional who is trained to diagnose and treat various dental issues that require surgical intervention. Their scope of practice may include procedures such as wisdom tooth extraction, dental implant placement, gum tissue grafting, and jaw realignment surgeries. Dental surgeons are highly skilled in using specialized tools and techniques to perform surgical procedures safely and effectively while ensuring the patient's comfort and well-being. They work closely with general dentists and other healthcare professionals to provide comprehensive oral healthcare services to patients of all ages.